Grabe, I almost got scammed. So I got a phone call from BPI this morning. Yung usual na unsolicited phone call from credit card companies offering you so many different things. Nung call na to, ang ino-offer sa akin daw is papalitan daw nila yung aking credit card with a new, more secure card. At kino-confirm lang daw nila sa akin kung kailan daw ako available to be able to receive the card. Trust me, the call sounded so legit. Alam niya yung aking full name, alam niya yung aking address, lahat parang legit to. Nung kinausap nila ako, sabi nila sa akin na ipapadala yung card, they wanna make sure ako yung magre-receive because marami daw scam dyan, ganon. So ina-assure ka na secure to and this is the proper way to do things and may procedure daw sila. This is meant to make you feel safe. Ito po ang tactic ng mga scammers. They're going to lull you into a false sense of security para mapagkatiwalaan mo sila kasi sinasabi nila sa'yo yung mga gusto mong marinig na pinoprotektahan ka nila, that they have your best interest at heart, pero hindi hard sell na parang assurance na very professional. Next, kinonfirm sa akin yung aking birthday. Okay, no problem. I've had credit card companies call me and verify my birthday. And next, they told me that they're going to transfer na lang daw all my points from my card to my bank account dahil daw bago na daw yung card ko with the new security features and hindi daw matatransfer yung points. So sabi nila, paki-confirm lang kung ano yung iyong account number. Sabi ko, well, you have my account number. Bakit hindi na lang yung kunin sa sistema? So, ang rason nila is kailangan daw nila i-confirm na tama daw yung account details at wala daw error. Sabi ko, okay, sabagay. I mean, I give my account number naman to people that need to deposit money to my account. No problem. So, binigay ko. So, they repeated my account number to me to confirm na tama. Sabi ko, tama naman yon. And then, here is where the scam comes in. Sabi nila sunod is, now sir, we just need your username. Then they assured me again, ito na yung false sense of security Sinabi nila sa akin na, but please do not tell us your password. Kasi po, yan po yung inyong security, yung inyong password. Ang kailangan lang po namin ay yung username. Dito na ako nagduda, so tinanong ko sa kanya, bakit kailangan mo yung aking username? Sabi nila kasi ang gagawin daw nila is they're going to do daw an online transfer. Teka lang, why do they need to do an online transfer when they have access to the back end of the account? So medyo nagdududa na ako. Pero inassure niya ako, sabi niya sa akin, sir, para ma-assure po na legit po tong call na to, after you dictate your username, you will receive a text message from us po, BPI, with a verification code. That verifies na legit po tong call na to. Doon na ako nagduda. Bakit? Kasi pag nakuha nila yung iyong username, in this case, yung username ko, ang gagawin nila, itatype lang nila yung username ko tapos kiklik nila forget password. At that point, I will get a verification code from BPI. Tapos ang sasabihin sa akin nung kausap ko is please dictate the verification code to me. At pag dinikta ko yung verification code na yon, they're gonna be able to change my password and have access to my account and be able to withdraw all my money. At nung sinabi ko sa kanya na hindi ko pwedeng bigay yung aking username sa kanya, doon na niya ako binagsakan. At nung sinubukan ko siyang tawagan, hindi ko siya matawagan dahil binlock yung aking number. Yan po yung scam. Kaya mag-ingat po tayong lahat, wag na wag ibibigay yung username. Ito na yung bagong MO, kaya ingatan po natin lahat para hindi po manakaw yung pera natin. Sana po nakatulong tong video na to at mag-ingat po tayong lahat at protektahan natin yung ating pera. At pag nakatulong tong video na to at nagustuhan nyo to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link below at i-click na rin yung notification bell so you're notified of my latest videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next video.